to be extremely brief because it is fucking freezing out. 47 cheap, all restored. Couldn't have been ridden very much at all because I'm still getting some paint off the pipe here. Runs, rides, looks fantastic. The paint's excellent. Motor's nice and quiet. Just gonna do a quick video here. Man, it's cold. Battery's dead. But anyways, really nice, clean machine. Doesn't need anything. Clean as a whistle. It will have a brand new battery in it before I ship it or sell it or whatever. Thing is, the paint and chrome is excellent on this bike. Again, all it needs is a battery. Woo! It's a sweetheart.